This week's dance feature is all about the legends, John Hype Squad. Nowadays, the rulers. What go on, John?
Everything good, man. It's a blessing to be here, man. Is it?
Shankle deep in the building.
One rule, man. God, I got.
That I go. Speaking of the whole rulers movement now, give me a little update about this now. How it go from John Squad to the rulers?
No, I see him John Squad, you know. But we are just the rulers. And not different. You see me? Nobody not change. We all together same way, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
One link.
Just the evolution of the movement.
Yeah.
That I go and talk to me about some of the members of the rulers right now.
You have Shelly Belly Blasey, you have Chaka Chaka, Ranka Danka, Expensive, Bucky Marshall. Yeah, man.
So it's more or less the same team from them time then?
Yeah, nothing not change. A John Squad, but we are the rulers.
If people wondering, how come them don't see John Hype in a while, what's the reason for that?
No, but they're everywhere.
Yeah.
Me is everything. Me is dancing. So once dancing I go on in the party, it's me.
See on Instagram every time we scroll up now we see the rulers, John Hype, Shankle, I teach class and all these things. What has that experience been like for you?
Well, fun. I'm not going to gym or no fitness class. You know, this is my fitness class. Speaking to you right now, I have a class right now after this, you know what I mean? So,
yeah,
sweat.
We're going to check in, man. We're going to check in. Why you thought it was a good idea to start take on the classes and introduce him to that side of the thing there?
It's what, as what him say, the fans them, because people are reach out to me and I say, they need to see more of John Hype, more of Shankle, more of the original people and where they do it, you know? So, I have to give the fans them what they want and it work. We ain't from foreign, you know. You know what thing of the African, you know. You have to understand this. Our dancing is feeling spirituality. You know? So it's from Africa, and we are African, so for us know where
That I go on now. Me so we even have a new thing I promote right now. Talk to me a little bit more about that.
Chendin, Chendin. Yeah man, a new thing named Chendi Bunks. We have a song will drop soon, you know. I want you for John Hype, because we have said, this one will make you wanna dance, dance, dance. Do the wheelie, do the bogle, dance, dance, dance. John Hype forward and say he ma go dance, dance back.
You!
Give the man way and make him dance, dance, dance.
Speaking of that now, make we see the dancer.
A whole heap of youth watch John Hype dance. I'm sure respect which part it Joe and Shelly Belly them are heritage. Eva Ding Dong, remember this. And Mr. Wacky said this.
Expensive attack! Rulers, all rulers, roll out!
Gang, Middle East and take over. Rock the world, them dance, they a murder. New year, new style, new flavor. Carnilos, tell them, let out the ruler. Shelly Belly, John Hype, show them the ruler. Shankle the Brankle Dunkle, let out the ruler. See Blase, the Sonny, show them the ruler. Shake your one, shake your one, shake your one. Ruler run. Move your body to the beat of the drum. Sit your night there, bring the street ruler come. Dancers, don't forget the history. Who no remember the great Sadiq. Ruler high and never sober. Step aside and protect on the floor. Let out the ruler. Shelly Belly, John Hype, show them the ruler. Shankle the Brankle Dunkle, let out the ruler. See Blase, the Sonny, show them the ruler. Dancers, do the ruler. We are no fool ya, and I move ya. Foot up.